Niyama both NDC and NPP. In the name of say it's not making profits. Me pacho adia ain't making profits no. And then no be your koto no making profits. Pacho which say governments no mobile no bowana. They are not competent enough to run the affairs of the nation. Now say take in Ghana and then electricity cost some stake has been sold. Ghana port every day. The prices of where I say in conform to me for your mamba. The channel say they are what they for this cano. Brian Echampo or your agric minister. Agric, they be a say and only the backbone of Ghana. So we agric everywhere. Ghana cannot progress. Until we hear Obia or your agric by nature. So you don't need a businessman. Now and then it was back where 5 say Sabin Kofona Yadomakoto agriculture no. They are not ready to even work. And Kenya problem says Sabin Ghananii and Kobeba se me wabeto hotel. And but then Obia wo ye Ojumani a country nim de. Enye sa na ye. Mama kaje bibi ansana Akufo-Addo beba. O say the nkofo no de omo beba no. So person we sika you have to do it outside government. But is Brian Champon not a minister? So even the soul of the country no ye towa egu because only bibi omo toma omo ho. Enti omo toma ho because of their incompetence na omo de wa ban mu no. Omo asan toma omo they can't even manage the asset. Na egu. Niama me bubo bebre o egu is no more in what existence. But ye tomo bi so that strategically no akobet me approach. And then politicians of Ghana we are brosa. And then am tumuya den sa. Hello, I Xposed GH. You're from Ben Bruce. And Rani and in SNBC or Ghana. Me who say also be demonstration. And then focus enough of the sales of what we call government assets. Answer na me komuno 2 things. And I am Mami be Juliet Yaboa, Udu Bede, Yamisha, Yamin 2 one them, Yamin Yorkesia, Wayokesia, the picture na Guno. Or your bar sabi waboye juma die no okoso so eboayen baby a obi anyamisha na nyaminka ho demonstration cause so people are fed up say enough of the sales of government properties in the name of say yeah performance e dey raise nhwe but before ebeko no enra niam bi sisi a police 42 tear gas and all that person go demonstration kakra ni e ba ni e bobo bahwe me bom adwen so abo wadwen aha Xposed program we Ghana Meyẹ Ghananii won't you Ghananii na share video no yakoba
in STC and nobody in cabinet nobody in the Akufo-Addo Bawumia cabinet is interested in buying STC. So that itself should tell you that this sale has got nothing to do with somebody coming to save non-performing state assets. It's about people seeing the books of this hotel, seeing how profitable it is. As we speak, according to the financial statements that we now have conducted by Deloitte, Labadi Beach Hotel is so liquid, so profitable. Last year, they declared profit of 158 million Ghana cedis. They paid government dividend of 25 million Ghana cedis. Over the last 3 years, they've paid taxes of 20.5 million Ghana cedis. The financial statements reveal that in the accounts, they have 5 bank accounts. Labadi Beach Hotel, there is 58.4 million Ghana cedis in those accounts.
They are selling it for it.
I mean, so liquid. And yet, the company coming to save these hotels, these magnificent hotels as you can see behind us, it's making losses. We have put out the filings at GRA. Last year, Rock City made losses. They didn't pay any tax. So what does it say? It tells you that this cannot be about somebody having expertise in making profit, in transforming hotels. This is just pure state capture, classic state capture. They have seen how profitable these hotels. And you see, these things are going on all over the place. I have received calls from civil servants. They just get letters. You have 2 weeks to move. Go and look for a place to rent. Then they raise down their bungalows. They sell it to private, so-called private developers. Parks and Gardens, we will be working there. Parks and Gardens is reporting to us that somebody just showed up, that he is a new owner of Parks and Gardens. So Parks and Gardens have had to go to court. The prison service, they have been told to move out. Prisons that is near Osu Runabout. They've been told to move out by July. that a private developer is taking over. I mean, what is happening? Rich hospital. Doctors are telling us that now there are no bungalows. They've sold all of them. They have to come. If there's an emergency today, if on this demonstration anything happens to us, and they send us to Rich Hospital, and the doctor has to move from his private house far away from Kaswa or Domikwa Benya, imagine what will happen to you. So the looting must stop.
We have had those who are represented as keeping very neat. You see, we have gotten to a point where we need to be very, all of us must be interested in how social security is administered and governed in this country. I think we have to, collectively, we have to comment.
Video number very disturbing. Na me who politicians be wom na eno na me na kakra and then pese ye can't say me ye. Since 1992 pese me both companies are both NDC and NPP on my tongue. Ebi wa kwa ye nim but you say na obi enim golden tulip na Ghana dia ye toma Ghana Arab contractors so say for $3 million. Liver Brothers na Ghana a majority shareholder no see aton £3 million. Gasem ye toma Scansem I want Norway and no see aton no $3 million there $3 million there papa $3 million and no see aton Pristia Goldfields and no see Ghana there no see aton $3 million. Takwa Goldfields and no see aton $3 million. And the $3 million there yeah papa. Apart from that no DL Steel Limited, Tema, Achimota Brewery, Accra Gihog Glass Factory, a lot. Just say because me boy West African Mills, cocoa. Just say the list goes on and on and on. Nearby both NDC and NPP. On what tongue in the name of say it's not making profits. Me pacho adia e make profits no and then obi the okoto no make profits pacho which say governments no mo ba normal bon na they are not competent enough to run the affairs of the nation because nieti e kase bibi a state asset and a state industry is a strategic bibi to say electricity company Ghana Water a basic needs am me ne wo ye hia enu ti na ya say e ya bind dia sebe Omon press ye benya infaso name at least let's break even now you providing essential services to what the people of the country and what baby now say ya stake in Ghana Water and now electricity ya kwasro a wu ni enti no some stake have been sold ya Ghana Port a ye hu every day the prices of where I say in to me for near mamba no ni a chane say the akosia wa na ekofo diska no it goes on and on na ade ba kompese wu ne say every time ya omo ba ase ba kom kan say sebe company we ye hwem a omo hyeda nye niam ye nti ese ye de nipa for bem meanwhile these are state agencies are ye de omo ba ye de Ghana sika na ahyem na enade na course na na pese ye de adwi kakra e ba so you see by a champion or a Greek minister. A Greek, they be say another the backbone of Ghana. So we agree everywhere Ghana cannot progress. Until we hear Obia or ye agree by nature solid. You don't need a businessman. Na ene in toes back where 5 nini na ejina say Sabin kofona ye de omakoto agriculture no they are not ready to even work. Na yenko the sale of the SNNIT hotels in kakra. I 6 hotels. I have bunch them together. Now last year alone, La Palm alone made a profit. A dividend to Ghana of 20 million Ghana cedis. Oriye no sent to Sika to is what? Its shareholders. So it's making profits. Because you making profit what after tax and so that you can declare what? Dividends. So La Palm was making money. But then you see Anton. And I can Elimina Beach. And then Toma hotel. Even one of the hotels is bigger than that hotel. And can you problem? Says some Ghananii and Kobeba se me wa beto hotel. And can but then Obia wo ye odumani a wo country nim de. Enye sa na ye. Mama kajo bibi ansana Akufo-Addo beba no o say ne nkofo no de omo beba no. So person we sika you have to do it what outside governments. But is Brian Champon not a minister? He is a minister. He is a minister of state agriculture. Now sales no me patcho wasn't even open to tender. Ye bie ye MOBA who you say this is what we are selling for. This is how much did they was it transparent? Obiswebisa say why didn't even it go to what cabinet or what parliament for parliament to say by partisan approach near who say adeni eton is it even in the interest of Ghana yato so I just say yeah secrecy and anyway since 1992 it has been going on both NPP and NDC. And now me will say NDC for the general no kasa and I wish say almost all power they have the same vim to talk. I don't think so. Omoba is the same thing that they will do. Now where all these things are coming because the political class in Ghana they have too much power. They have too much power. And see, idea is say they are exempted from the law. Obin Kenjam say meboa. And Kabane say na wutimi bunch 6 hotels together. Now kasa me ton amanipa baako. Na yensa hwe bibi since 1992 niama na ya ton bebregu. So even the soul of the country no ya ton a egu because oni bibi omo ton ma omo ho. Because of their incompetence now they can't even manage the assets is no more in what existence but yeah Tom be so that strategically I could bet me a put and then politicians of Ghana we are brosa and then I'm too denser and then move because a chimodina modigana for come is abnormal. The person me green I can't find a proper word. When it's beyond the word unpatriotical. Where your madness. Obiaba no beton. In sasia wo na matonton mam wunyina. Cars na moton. Car ya dem mobi. No all the saka na kosifie. Edu time aba kwa ni ateso fofo ama no na wato. Why na yedi na bro? Na ya san kwadi ska esan dia ba no man America for san no million man ka be papa ni ade na ye di ye ho abrosa enti politicians na no omugum ni de e say you film TUC I can understand because the frustration omko to this is SNNIT money now only me say if Labadi and La Palm et me make profit and then strategy na mutimi ye ya La Palm was making profits. And then na sabi ni pa kuno o hwe La Palm so no mama on use the same strategies to what to revive the various hotels. Mama chamu ni eti Ghananii hotels no en sheda enko yi no. Tourist site e wo yeah, various hotels, you know, we don't look after them well. Remember, Tina Hotel, not me hotel. One of the things that attracted me to a hotel is that apart from the cozy environment, I should also have a place to go, even within the town, to what? Generate more money for you. Do we have it? And a baby to sell a palm. They should have places. People who are omobano, you bet me do what na bas mu, no akoto. Sanctuary be. Elimina patonyama bebre ni ho. This is thinking outside the box. So you think outside the box. It's not just managing a hotel. You are managing an entity. Get something a bit me better hotel for people to feel sad. When I come, it's not only come to sleep, but I have a place to go. This is common sense. But you know why they are not thinking? Because they'll sell it to themselves and tell you it's not making profits. And then look at where we are. Ghana is in shambles. Shambles. Ghana. Myanmar strategically who could have grown Ghana, no, you are turning now to individuals within governments. Eti ejuma esi edi si wo mama yeni bi. Ebe kaka ebe ton yeni pa na wom. Na ka mo ano. Because sabia nyi nipa ho. Ya nyi nipa ho. Untimi ka strategically. You are not making profit, so you bunch a hotel which is making money to a bunch of hotels that they are not making money, and you sell it off for peanuts. Look at the money. Meanwhile, this hotels now one is bigger than Rock City. Somebody should challenge me. The kind of money is that, but when you are agreeing, you should go off. Those who are managing the SNNIT money, go off the board. Because strategically, you need brains to make the money grow. And then the ILO reports, International Labour Organization, almost say SNNIT by the year 2036 it will collapse. Because the people on Bueno, almost the higher politics. There be a necessary sikako and a honor sikako. And you man, yes, this is shame. There are viable businesses which what generate and what improve Ghana. It's not. I can SNNIT, you can a strategic what investor. I can government or PBB yena onye sika. Can SNNIT ne kono akoye sade no money ne juma forward ejuma and then grow the country. SNNIT I can strategic what investor because sika no mo by what constitution. Every month they get it. Eti senyansan wo ho yi a ka baby e bank SNNIT to to say. Oh, ebia me idea we impesa me yo. But me ntimi here, but me ya generation of people we no e be ma about 10,000 jobs. Mon partner me ana mon nyama me. SNNIT be ye. O million profit and Ghana will also have people to work. When you common sense. Common sense. It's not common to common people. We could have used that to even benefit the whole country, but we are selling it in the name of what? Politics. Besides, a strategic investor. Give me one place, strategic investor. The place has what? Gone up. It's what? Collapse because and then go Baba and Pesame Kobe and Makansam. And now send you now police for tear gas. Kakani I took tear gas. And you're wrong. Let's learn to talk to each other. We're a political year. We don't need the tensions to rise. And I'm on your phone so Meyẹ to say, wait to move up you so and now me walk with the top. No, Kasana in your break Sam say, I'm not raising political tension. No, I'm fat. Here way, the brain to aba. Say, I don't know when you're bravo demonstration, the brain to aba. Yahoo tricks in government should set up. You ever go for the to Obama? Set up and call your people to order. For example, when you are a Greek minister, stop the business and go. So when him say to me, you are Greek now, stop. Tell him what? Your resignation. I have resigned. Now your friend is saying, opposition party no so mudi way no. Mamu make sure say this thing shouldn't kill somebody. Kwasiasem Ejuma mo painting, nobody should die. And the police should act responsibly, professionally. We don't need any blood. Na me no so there. Asam no, yenyan kan wie. Aha, I expose YH. Ben Bruce, I'm out.